welcome back to Ignited Garage. Now, on this episode, I'm going to be drawing the winner for the Starbucks gift card that I showed you guys before on the last episode. Now, I've only got 7 entries, and I've already got the names all cut up on little pieces of paper. Corinne's putting the last few into the hat. She's got those all ready for me to pull the name. Now, I've got 7 entries. I appreciate you guys that actually entered. You guys are awesome. And I want to thank all the subscribers because I'm almost up to 400 subscribers. I'm just sitting there trying to promote my YouTube by asking people, and it's actually helping out because they're actually subscribing. So, what we're going to do is Corinne's got a hat. I'm going to put all the names, like I said, into the hat, and I'm going to pull out a name, and I want to say good luck, and I'm just waiting for her to finish up with the names, and I will draw it, so I'll be right back. Now, like I just said, we've got 7 entries. So there's all 7. Corinne's got the hat, she's shaking it up, and I'm just going to pull a random name out of the hat here. So let's see who won. Now, I don't know who it is, because I didn't pay attention. They're all the same size pieces of paper, and I'm not even going to look. I'm just going to show you guys. Is that straight up and down? There you go. There's the winner. Mammoth Puppy. There you go, bud. I hope you enjoy. I will contact you probably through the entry video, because if you don't have contact on your About page, I can't get a hold of you. So, I will contact you through that, and I hope you guys enjoy this. My next giveaway should be about $450, maybe $500. I'm going to be giving a shirt away. Now, if I get up to $500, I'll be giving a one-of-a-kind. I'm only going to make the one shirt. It's going to be specifically for that person. I will contact them and get their size. So, I will see you guys on the next one. Next week should be a better video. It's going to be more automotive, more of my channel stuff than doing a vlog, but hey, is what it is, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Don't forget to subscribe. I will see you guys later.